Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Despite the widespread fear in the market, the Bitcoin price is currently on the rise. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin has rebounded strongly since hitting rock bottom. After yesterday's dramatic decline, expectations are high for the future. Later in the video, we'll discuss the current state of the cryptocurrency market. Nonetheless, let's talk about some of the most recent and noteworthy developments in the cryptocurrency industry. This tweet is the first piece of information I need to impart to you. Check out this tweet, please. Caesar de Binance retweeted this, and it says it all. This is the crypto chronology of the Biden administration. Sam Bankman-Fried has contributed more money to Biden's presidential campaign than any other individual. Vice President Biden has named Gary Gensler as the new SEC chairman. Gary Gensler convenes an amicable gathering of Bankman-Fried and FTX executives at his office. After gaining the SEC's favor, no action letter was discussed. The cryptocurrency industry has outed FTX as a massive scam. Coinbase, Kraken, and many others are among the legit businesses the SEC has been after for over a decade. Cameron Winklevoss, CEO of the Gemini crypto exchange, adds that getting sued by the SEC used to be a sign that you had done wrong. You must be doing something right now. That's a really big deal. Binance, it is said, has also emphasized the fact that no FTX has ever been sued. There are currently major developments. That scary SEC, Gary Gensler, who was chosen by Joe Biden, has been attacking legitimate businesses like Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. It's interesting to note that Sam Bankman-Fried has never been taken to court. One theory that has some legs to it suggests that Sam Bankman-Fried FTX was a Trojan horse planted in the cryptocurrency market to cause an explosion and nuke the entire market. As you may already know, however, crypto is too powerful and too decentralized for this to have worked. Since FTX's Trojan horse tactic failed, the company is now essentially suing hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges. However, recent price activity shows that cryptocurrencies are recovering. Furthermore, the SEC has taken matters to a new level by attempting to freeze Binance US's assets. Thus, not the international cryptocurrency exchange at Binance.com. This is the US dollar exchange rate from Binance. In addition, this says exchange of cryptocurrencies following a request from US securities regulators to swiftly freeze its assets. Binance US has made efforts to calm potential user dissatisfaction. Binance tweeted on June 6 to reassure its users that their funds are still secure. Deposits and withdrawals can still be made on the platform at this time. But things are heating up in the American market, and it's a huge tragedy that Joe Biden picked Gary Gensler as the country's architect. To what extent have these two disappointed you, and do you think the Bitcoin market will improve in 2024? We are now only 6 months away from the 2024 presidential election. The SEC's actions have been disappointing, and their decision to file a lawsuit against Coinbase just escalates the situation. Now the SEC is suing Coinbase because of its exchange and staking services. The share price fell by 12%. I also happen to be in possession of the current stock price for Coinbase. And right now it's trading like a crypto moonshot. So, this one dropped from $350 at the beginning of April 2021 to its current price of about $51. Coinbase stock carries a great potential reward, but also a huge potential danger. And if we find out more about this, we might wonder why they're suing Coinbase in the first place. Also, the plaintiffs are asking that Coinbase be permanently barred and enjoined from continuing to operate as an unlicensed broker and exchange. So, the SEC is essentially trying to put an end to Coinbase business in the United States. What happened to that scheme codenamed Operation Choke Point? Is this happening in the realm of cryptography? Joe Biden and Gary Gensler, as you may know, work to limit people's ability to enter the cryptocurrency market. To what extent, if at all, are people currently attempting to convert their fiat currency into cryptocurrency? There is an argument that might be made for it, you know. The stock price of Coinbase is falling, and this page claims that the exchange has been blacklisted as a primary broker because its staking scheme is illegal. According to the agency's complaint, business officials have ignored and even actively worked to undermine regulatory frameworks and disclosure obligations for years. Even if Coinbase is true, I still have my doubts. So, I know there are honest Coinbase out there. Here it is stated that the SEC's enforcement approach in the United States consists mostly on intimidating market participants through threats of legal action. So, absolutely enormous developments in the crypto industry. And a veritable conflagration of tweets is erupting over on Twitter. And if we hop on over to the crypto bubbles today, we can see that a sizable portion of the cryptocurrencies are seeing gains. Therefore, Pepe is currently experiencing. If we switch to the price of Bitcoin, ICE would rise by 14.7%. With Binance being sued in the United States, a great deal of uncertainty has entered the market, as you all know. This is where the fear, uncertainty, and doubt begins to set in. There, in the distance, are our bright red candles. We found support at this price, and the price has now completely bottomed out at around $24,400. And then, just recently, we've been making some progress again. Positive signs are emerging, and I believe the cryptocurrency market can weather this storm. Therefore, I believe the cryptocurrency market is robust enough to withstand the current climate of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD. The cryptocurrency market is not US-centric, you know. So, again, if the SEC just, harass businesses in the USA, I think what you'll see is Hong Kong, Dubai, countries like Vanuatu, the UK, stepping up and, being leaders in the crypto market while the US basically cuts itself off from the crypto market with an isolationist policy that makes literally zero sense. Looking at the CoinGecko values right now, we can also observe that Bitcoin has experienced a small uptick in value. This bodes well for the future. What is SHIB doing? So SHIB gained 1.3% in the last day. The price of the original Terra Luna is rising at a rate of 5.7% and above. You'll be happy to hear that Pepe is doing fine and has increased by 14.9%. That wraps up today's major development in the cryptocurrency market. So, tell me, what else are we up to on this channel? As a result, we've decided to investigate more cryptos. You may watch those videos and help the channel out if you're interested in learning more about alternative cryptocurrencies. See you later, bye.